From a prefect acquisitor of Lucius, Lys Serenepti Nu, ident frag Psi Omega Gamma 887.
Title rejected. Name confirmed. Ident frag confirmed. Restate title.
Excommunicate Dictatus Malatech.
Hesitation noted. Is my analysis incorrect?
No. Carry on.
Title accepted. State purpose.
Mydathian Re-Education Protocols, Subclass Beta 3, Cohort 17.
Acknowledged. State subject of knowledge appraisal.
The Mydath Credo.
Confirmed. Proceed.
The First Creed. Our sacrifices mustn't be in vain.
Correct. Provide example.
The endless legions of the Skitarii, from the vanguard leading the charge, to the rangers providing fire support, to the Alpha Primi calculating precise maneuvers, each a tooth in the cog, each with their role to play. Many of their lives will be lost as the Omnissiah wills it, and we must succeed for those losses to bear fruit.
Accepted. Proceed.
The Second Creed. Learn what is useful. Discard the rest.
Correct. Provide example.
Janitor Metasurgeon Guillaume Valentinov and Hephaestor B., Prime Artillerist of the Ordo Reductor. The former, able to harness and enhance the natural biology of the amble that now serve as the backbone of Mydath's mines, the lifeblood to its continued operation. The latter, showing extreme prejudice in the total annihilation of any and every threat knowledge proven dangerous could pose to the sanctity of the Forge.
Accepted. Proceed.
The Third Creed. Our aims must always be in service to humanity.
Correct. Provide example.
The Tech Priests privy to the Omnissiah's secrets. From the lowly Macrotech Faustina Bosch to the illustrious Archmage Xenolagus Nebuchadnezzar, the leaders of Mydath guide our path so that even in the pursuit of esoteric learnings, we are never led astray from our true goal, our continued loyal service to humanity and the Imperium contained within.
Accepted. Proceed.
The Fourth Creed. Lay low those who stray.
Correct. Provide example.
The Kilcades of the Sicarians. The disabling omniscramble of the Datawites, destroying mechanical perception and biological instruments alike. The sharpened blade of the Razorgeist silently writhing towards enticing targets. Two methods of dispatching priority targets perfectly suited for their unique purposes.
Unacceptable example. Provide example.
The machinations of the Diagnostic Coven, the Cipher Magistrata, ensuring our word never reaches the ears of outsiders. Mute cyborg assassins duly wielding two of our perfected weapons, the Mydathian Pattern Power Glove. Power fields resonating together in a discombobulating chorus of holy motive force. The House of Quiescence, ghosts in the machine protecting our hulls from the inside, ensuring our own are held accountable for their actions or inactions, and swiftly and silently disposing of those seen unfit to serve.
Accepted. Proceed.
The Final Creed. No witnesses. No exceptions.
Correct. Provide example. Are you unable or unwilling to comply?
All of us, each tech acolyte from the Fabricator General himself to the lowliest adepts inferior, we are all equally responsible for our grand secret. Any who understands the nature of our position must ensure that none bear witness to our operations, that none gain knowledge of our institutions. To allow such a fault in the armor of our existence is to doom it to failure. To doom us to failure is to doom humanity and the Imperium to extinction. We must succeed. We must be secret, no matter the cost.
Serenity New. A memory wipe will commence, and then we shall proceed in 1 hour's time. You are in